We will be replacing the factory halogen brake lights on this 2000 Volkswagen Jetta with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. The lights are located inside the trunk, directly behind the taillight assembly. To reach them, first open the large door on the side before opening the door panel to the lights. Now we can reach the light circuit. Unplug the circuit by pulling the wire harness straight out. Next, unlock the circuit by pushing in on the two side tabs. Now we can remove the circuit. You may have to turn the circuit to the side in order to remove it. With the circuit removed, we now have access to the bulbs. The brake light is located here. To remove the halogen bulb, first push down and turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock. The 1156 size bulb has two notches on the sides that fit into the two slots in the socket. Now we will replace it with this LED brake light from ALO Lighting. Line up the two notches and push the bulb into the socket. Turn clockwise to lock. Technician's tip: check to make sure the lights are working before putting everything back. Now we can put the circuit back into its housing. You may have some difficulty reinstalling the circuit. Continue working it into the housing until it fits into place. Push in until it clicks. Plug the wire harness back into the circuit. And close the two doors. And repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. On the right side, there is only one door panel to remove. Take out the circuit. If the wire harness is difficult to remove, unplug it after removing the circuit. Take out the halogen bulb and replace with the new LED bulb from ALO Lighting. Replace the circuit. And plug in the wire harness. Here is a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALO Lighting.